When it comes to HVAC sales and installation in Delaware County, the devil is in the details. Avoid common pitfalls like not researching the company's reputation or choosing the cheapest option without considering quality. Remember, not all HVAC services are created equal. To sidestep these errors, do your homework. Check online reviews, ask for references, and ensure the company has proper licensing and insurance. Don't ignore energy efficiency. Look for systems with high SEER ratings, and always inquire about maintenance plans and warranty coverage to safeguard your investment. You've got questions, we've got answers. With over a decade of experience, we offer financing options, carry top brands like Carrier and Trane, and provide free estimates. Our licensed and insured technicians can complete most installations within a day and offer maintenance plans to keep your system in top shape. For peace of mind, our installations come with a standard warranty with extended options available. Ready to schedule? Call us at 484-232-3369 or visit hvacdelawarecounty.com. Your comfort is our business.